Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you add music to your Instagram story. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So once you are logged into your right here, your Instagram, so go ahead and go to add story here on this one, or you can simply swipe left and there you so make sure it is on story guys, not post or reel or live. Make sure it is on story. You can also add a already taken photo, but you can also take a photo like that. And once that is done, you just have to go ahead here on the icon here. You just have to click on music here, and in here you can go ahead and click on browse here and search for our particular music or artist. So for example, we want Kanye West right there. So like that. So for example, you want this one.
Even if you
So as you can see guys, you can actually adjust this to your liking. So if you want music only, or you can also adjust the length. Its maximum is 15 seconds, but it's all up to you guys. And you can also edit this one, the text right there. And you can also add here a customize the colors and also add your avatar here. And you can also change the music altogether. So all you have to do guys is follow all along with this guys, and that is how you can add music to your Instagram story. Once that is done, you just have to post that story and you should be good to go. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.